Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm Dinesh. This is Cranks and Pistons. Today we are continuing the maintenance of the E46. So as you've seen in our previous video, we left out one tiny bit. So today it's going to be swapping out the cabin filter. We got it finally in. Amazon doesn't ship to Hong Kong on Prime, so we had to wait for some time. So we got this in finally, and we're gonna reset the service miles. And if you can see right here, the car is hella dirty, very dirty. So we're gonna give it a full detailing. We're gonna wash it ourselves, me and my boy here. We're gonna clean it up and let's see how that goes. For that, we need to open up the bonnet. So this actively is for the air conditioner, guys. So it is the cabin air filter, so it clears out the air coming into your car from the outside, so you don't get all the pollution and all the gases coming in. And I did show it in the last video how to remove the top. So it's just 3 plugs right here. You just have to open them up, unloosen them. It's got some spring tension to it, and once they're out, this pops right out. There we go. You have the cabin filter right there. Pull this out. Well, this is gone. So let's see how this looks. This looks pretty much similar without the tears and some paperwork. Installation time 5 minutes. 5 minutes and you're done with it. This is not like replacing an oil filter. Well, that also takes not too long, so that's okay. So you have this right here. The curved edge comes towards you. The longer curved edge comes towards you. Slide it back in. Seat it in. You're good. And if you see here, actually I have made a mistake. If you see here, the arrow right here, it has to be coming down. So need to flip it across. You can see the airflow coming down, and that is the right side. And this should slide into place, and we put the cover back on. So now that's done. So I'll leave a link in the description, guys, if you want to go buy the air filters. It's Amazon or AliExpress, I guess. So next will be to reset the miles, and that we do it inside, and this is going to take you a couple of minutes as well. It's not going to take you too long. So we have the key in. So I'm going to explain the process first. You'll have to press and hold your left button right here. You're going to press and hold it for 5 seconds, and then once a reset option pops up on your screen right here, you're going to press it again, and that's going to reset. Alright guys, let's give this a shot. First, key in. And we're going to have to hold this for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring the key to the first position. The display changes to test. Keep holding. Now it comes to reset. Let it go. Press it once. And hold it until it starts blinking. And once that is done, leave it. Press it again. You get an inspection. 25,000 kilometers. It's reset. Press it again. It's ended. Now we turn the car off. Remove the key so that it stops beeping. Start it up again. Done. 25,000 kilometers. Piece of cake, guys. That's about it. Piece of cake. All of you can do it yourself. You don't have to take it to a shop and pay money for this. Very easy. So now let's go ahead and get this dirty baby washed out. If you can see the dirt here, it's madness. So I don't have covered parking, so I have only outer parking. So the dirt right here, and with it's winter here now, so there's a lot of frost forming on it and it ends up getting really dusty. And even on the rims, if you see here, you can see the difference. Like, whoa. All right, now we're gonna go pick up some fluid supplies. I'm excited for that. I always love going to the car shops. Gonna get some fluid supplies, get some shampoo, and we'll get a wax kit. We'll get some microfiber cloth, come back and give this a wash and do a new E46 clean reveal. That's it. So guys, whichever country you're in, if it's serious, wear a mask, take care of yourself, be safe. Now let's go get some nice fluids. Spray cans, cleaning oils. There we go. Gotta get a WD-40 as well for us. We need to get some wax compound. No highlighter pens for us. Yes, this is all the detailing lineup. Just take a pic. I don't think we need any of these, so just gonna pick up some washing equipments like this right here. Trim detailer. We got some shampoo. Got a sponge. Sorted. Now let's go get the car washed up. Wash done. Time to get out onto the sun, give it a good polish, clean up the trims, and let's see how it looks. Back home in the wild, baby's ready to get trimmed out, but as we just came here, I have to show this to you guys. It's an abandoned, old school British fake taxi. Can we say that? Possibly. The legends might know what it is, but yeah, it's a beautiful car. I mean, it's back on the road, look pretty good. And this has been eaten up by animals around, I believe, possibly. The way it has been destroyed, there's no words for it. Oh, holy hell. That is it, all done. The shine is so much better. I mean, every day I look at this car and the color, I just like it more. Check this out. No more dust, no more grime on it. Much better. And then this, it's so black now. It was like totally gray before. If you see the difference of the grille right here, this is all silver, and to this is so different. This black looks so much better. Perfecto. So if you guys want to do this for your car, this is what you can use. I use this to polish the body, and this was to detail the trim. Perfect. The perfect combo for the two. Nice. This is a beauty that we can just stand and look at. Alright guys, so that is the second part for your basic E46 maintenance. If you haven't seen our first part, I'll leave a link on top somewhere around here. Go check it out. You'll just have to follow it step by step and you'll get the whole process done. So today we finished the cabin air filter, reset the kilometers, service kilometers. That's done. Only thing pending is the coolant change. That you can do it at any time the light pops up. So that is not an immediate service fix. So you guys give it a shot. Let me know down in the comments if this worked for you. And if I did anything wrong, let me know too, so that I can fix it for the next time. I don't want to look like a dumbass in the videos. So I appreciate your support and I have to share this happy news with you guys. With all your support, Cranks and Pistons has been monetized. So keep watching our videos, watch it from start to end, like our videos, consider smashing the subscribe button, it's free. So give me all the support, thank you for all the love, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Till the next time, peace.